This smartphone can go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. But in a wide angle, only Full HD and only 30 frames per second, which is, ouch! A huge downgrade. In this price range, come on. Well, so this is how it looks like. Video stabilization. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, let me stop for a bit. Alright, let's continue. Okay. And the main lens. Let me switch to the 4K. Come on. Do we have autofocus? No, we don't. Wow, that's much better in 4K. Alright. So, do we have macro? Yeah, in telephoto it is available. It's all the way to 6. By the way, telephoto to 6x in 4K 60, which is, I mean, that's terrible. If we switch to 4K 30, then we can go all the way to 10x. It's a bit better. I mean, way better. It's so noisy. But still not a fantastic. Let's continue. Let's continue to the other side. All right. Autofocus. It's quick. 2x. Also quick. Still available, and 4x also available. Can we switch lenses during the recording? No, we can only take a photo and pause the video. Front facing camera in 4K 30 frames per second. That's the maximum resolution for this device. Autofocus, not available. We are in a wide angle. You can zoom in if you wanted to, but why wouldn't you? Let's zoom out. Is it going to ever overexpose the sky? It will. Most of the Chinese smartphones do that. Okay, video stabilization. What else do we have on this smartphone? We also have a flash, but no noise cancellation, always on and off. Okay. So, what do we have? And we do have a street. It's a street. What's the difference between the regular photo and the street? I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. We do have video, and like I said, that's for the 30 frames per second. For the 60, sorry. And that's for the 30. See? And for full HD, we do have that wide angle, but only in 30. If you go 60, there's no wide angle. So the maximum is full HD 30. HD, of course, is available in 4K 30 and in 4K 30. That's the maximum resolution for HDR. We also have ultra steady, which will add a little bit of the video stabilization, and it is looking good, very stable in 4K. Wow, check out that building. It's huge. But anyway, let's continue. That is the video. You can switch to the front-facing camera in 4K 30. Like I said, no autofocus, and extra video stabilization will downgrade to a full HD. In full HD, you will have that extra video stabilization. All right, let's continue. We do have some filters if you wanted to, because maybe I switch. Oh, I cannot switch. All right. So all in front-facing camera. In the main one, it won't block. Have extra bokeh and stuff. Photo. We'd have EV if we wanted to. Of course, auto HDR, 16:9. Okay, let me go back, because we didn't have a look on the settings. All right. Let's continue to that photo. Like I said, EV selfie with a regular photo. That's decent. Let me switch to the main lens, and we do have action mode for fast moving subject. We're gonna do that in a second. We also have EV, and okay, we don't need that. We don't need that. If we hit the photo, it will try to recognize the image in Google. Okay, in the photo department, it can go all the way to 20x, which is electronic zoom. It's decent. Could we find something? All right, something like that. It's good for the photo. All right, what else do we have? We do have portrait mode. Hitting the portrait mode again. All right, portrait mode. It will blur the background. It's okay, I guess. It's okay. We do have filters. All those beautiful filters. And hit more. And in the more department, we do have high resolution photos, high res. Let me switch. Let me make a couple of them. All right. For example, this one should be good. Bam. Let's see them. Handle that sun nicely. You do have a little bit of flare, but it looks good. It looks really, really, really good. All right, let's continue. Let's continue from the high res. There's a slow motion, there's a dual video, so you can record in 2 cameras at the same time. That is also super cool. You can zoom, you can change for square, you can put it in the middle, whatever you like. Also in square. And of course, we do have some bokeh effect. Alright. Alrighty then. What else do we have? Group portrait. But for that, we will need to have more than one human. So no one cares about my videos. So it'll be difficult. I will figure out something. Okay. And in Pro, you have RAW Plus. Yeah. Do we have Pro Video? I don't see the switch. Don't see the switch, unfortunately. We have Movie, if you wanted to, for the full frame, but this will be full HD, so I don't know. It is what it is. Long exposure, if you wanted to. Oh yeah, that works. That works nicely. Oh, that was super cool. Long exposure. All right. Stereo mode. That's for the stars. It's daylight, so it's like no point. Night mode, time lapse, text scanner, and time shift. Text scanner. Let's test it out. Is it going to catch the text? No, it didn't. How is it going to scan the text? I'm not sure how it is working. It's not scan. Okay, now it's scanning. Okay, I have to be very close to it. Well, alright, you have to be very close. Very close. But see, it came out on with HD and very good quality. But like I said, very close. Not like in the different smartphones. Look at the pose. Look at it. I mean, the quality is really good. All right. What else? Tile shift. Okay. Okay. So let me show you some samples for photo. And remember, there'll be a link in the description for you to download original samples without any compression. Is cool, but
it is nowhere near a flagship experience. Low 8800 is a medium range camera, and you can have it for $490, even less with my additional discount code in the description. Same processor you can have for $300. So the question is, why is it cost $900 in Europe? $890, which is insane. Without the charger, that is insanity. But if you want, pay a little bit more, like $100 more, you could have an Ultra Vivo Ultra for $1,000. This device is like in a completely different league. This is the best in the market for just $100 or euros more. So, link in the description. See you next video.